Nikhil Jain, political analyst, Ravi Srivastav ji, Dr. Akashdeep Muni ji, and Dr. Ranganathan completes the panel. He needs no introduction. Nikhil Jain, what do you think Manish Tiwari is trying to say here?
I think Manish Tiwari is making a very pertinent point that no longer do the people of India or the Gen Z or the Gen X or the Gen Y accept entitlement. No longer do they accept nepotism, and I completely agree with him. Nobody wants a Jay Shah to be the BCCI secretary or something in a cricket board. Nobody wants a Rohan Jaitley in a particular cricket board. Nobody wants the sons of political leaders or the daughters of political leaders to be in appointed positions. People want to choose their leaders. People want to vote their leaders. People want to vote Rahul Gandhi 5 times. He is one of those very, very few people in the country, in the history of the country, who have won an election in North India and who also won an election in South India. Priyanka Gandhi, his sister, who contested an election for the first time, she won. These are not entitled people. They are popular people. You might have these, ill-founded notions that the Gandhi surname or the Gandhi family is a family of fading glory. Time and again, the country has proven, Congress workers and leaders have proven, that if there is one family or one particular surname in this country that matters the most to the people of the country, it is the Gandhi surname. Rahul Gandhi is a leader of...
I don't know which world you are living in. Certainly not, the world that the others are on, including the anchor. अब ये वर्ल्ड या तो आप आइडेंटिफाई कर दीजिए ताकि और भी जो लोग वहां जाना चाहते हैं वहां जा सकते हैं. You can't see beyond the surname. That's the problem. Fading glory. It is, this is not some, Churchillian flourish with which I was speaking. This is the reality. Look at the election results. Nikhil Jain, how long will you defend the surname? And you are linking Manish Tiwari's message to everything but the Congress party. And you said Rahul Gandhi has won historic mandates, this, that, the other, and yet Congress says democracy is dead in India. वोट चोरी हो रही है. या तो एक चीज बोलिए राहुल गांधी इलेक्शन जीत रहे हैं या वोट चोरी हो रही है. दोनों कैसे हो सकता है? You can call Rahul Gandhi great, but then say the election commission is also great, that is allowing Rahul Gandhi to win.
Answer. Pranesh, will you allow me to answer? If you put a question to me, I'll have to be allowed to be answering that question. Well, the point I'm making is that for you, the Congress party is just the Gandhis. For me and for every other people in the country who supports the Congress or sympathizes with them, the Congress party is much beyond the Gandhi family. I see a Mallikarjun Kharge in the Congress party. I see an Anand Sharma. I see a Dr. Tharoor. I see a Chidambaram. I see a Singhvi. I see Meera Kumar. I see a Jagjeevan Ram. I see a whole bunch of leaders.
No, don't you see Shashi Tharoor? Don't you see Manish Tiwari? इनका भी नाम ले लीजिए. They are also senior leaders of the Congress party. Manish Tiwari is not Congress party. Shashi Tharoor is not Congress party. Salman Khurshid, who said, why is it so difficult to be patriotic? He is not Congress party. So you can, carry on this bhakti of the surname and not answer the question. That's very well. Do that. Let me turn to the others. Dr. Muni, ये Gen Z वाला मैसेज नेपो किड कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि the moment you utter dynasty or dynast और एंटाइटलमेंट, नेपो किड्स, एक ही नाम आता है. वो कौन सा नाम है बताइए.
नहीं प्रणेश जी, मुझे तो जो नाम आप सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं वो नाम नहीं आता, क्योंकि आई कैन गिव यू सर्टेन एग्जांपल दैट कांग्रेस हैज रिपीटेडली एलिवेटेड लीडर्स आउटसाइड द गांधी फैमिली टू द प्राइम मिनिस्टर पोस्ट. लाल बहादुर शास्त्री, नरसिम्हा राव, मनमोहन सिंह जी, भूपेश बघेल, अशोक गहलोत, सिद्धरमैया, कमलनाथ, अमरिंदर सिंह, रेवंत रेड्डी, etc. If Congress was fully centralized around Gandhis, these leaders never would have become prime minister or chief minister.
But who are these? No, 1 minute. Have you forgotten? आप इसमें आप गुलजारी लाल नंदा भी ऐड कर दीजिए. इंटरिम वो भी बने थे, वो भी बोल दीजिए. लिस्ट और लंबी हो जाएगी. You see, Dr. Muni, there is a bhakti culture in Congress that is undeniable. वो बोल दिया DK शिव कुमार ने. They are Bhagwanta, we are Bhakta. His words, not mine. Then Revant Reddy was saying Mother Teresa in Sonia Gandhi or something to this effect. He wanted an Oscar. Trump wants a Nobel for himself Revant Reddy says, give an Oscar to Sonia Gandhi, or Sonia's letter was an Oscar for Revant Reddy. What is going on? How can you be so disconnected?
प्रणय जी, आप कितने, आपको पता है ना कि गुजरात में और उत्तर प्रदेश में मोदी जी के मंदिर बने हुए हैं। जब मोदी जी के मंदिर बन रहे हैं, वो पूजा प्रार्थना नहीं है। और यहाँ पे कोई अगर जिसने अपने राजीव गांधी ने देश के लिए जान दे दी ऑन ड्यूटी, इन ऑफिस ही
डॉक्टर मुनी, अब ये मंदिर के बात पे ये भी बताइए, प्रधानमंत्री ने क्या बोला था मंदिर पे? क्या बोला था? उन्होंने मना किया था कि ये सब करना ठीक नहीं है, ये भक्ता भगवंता किसी ने मना किया है? हैव यू हर्ड एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द गांधीज दैट वी आर नॉट भगवंता? यू कैन बी अ भक्ता, वी आर नॉट भगवंता। आई हैवंट हर्ड। मे बी निखिल जैन को मैसेज किया होगा दैट व्हेन यू गो ऑन नेशनल टेलीविजन, डोंट कॉल अस भगवंता, और कॉल अस भगवंता, हु नोज? रवि श्रीवास्तव जी, सर बार बार जेन जी पैनल पे आप आ जा रहे हैं। अब ये सहयोग है, प्रयोग है, कुछ और है?